If you want to get rid of Xbox Game Pass, here's how you can do it step by step. So first, turn on your Xbox and go to the main menu. Next, use your controller to scroll down to My Games and Apps section. From there, look for subscriptions on the left side of the screen. Once you find subscriptions, select it and you're going to see Xbox Game Pass listed. Click on it to see more options. You should see a button that says Manage or Cancel Subscription. Choose that option. The screen will show you the details of your subscription, including when it will renew. To cancel, look for the Cancel button. When you click it, the system will ask you to confirm that you really want to cancel. So make sure you read any messages carefully, okay? If you're sure, confirm your choice. And after you cancel, you'll still have access to Xbox Game Pass until the end of your billing cycle, which means you're going to keep playing until then. So remember to check for any confirmation emails so that you know that the cancellation went through. Now you're all set. Let me know if this helped in the comments. See you later.